This is a Photoshop gradient file. It stores color transitions. You can import it into Photoshop or other Adobe apps to use the color preset. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's load the colors. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier GRD file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. GRD files are gradient preset files for Adobe Photoshop containing one or more custom gradient definitions. They store color stop positions, opacity stops, interpolation methods, gradient types, and color values that define smooth color transitions used in fills, overlays, masks, and layer styles within Photoshop compositions. Photoshop GRD files use a proprietary binary format, storing gradient definitions with color stop arrays using RGB LAB or HSB color models. Each stop defines position, midpoint, and color value. Gradient types include linear radial angle reflected and diamond with support for solid noise and custom gradient maps. Generally, GRD files are associated with Adobe Photoshop developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows can open configuration entries, but applying changes correctly depends on the software. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the GRD file and select Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the GRD file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because the GRD format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, loading gradients in Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop and double-click the GRD file to automatically import the gradients. Alternatively, open the Gradient panel, select the Gear menu, and click Import Gradients to browse for the GRD file. The new gradients appear in your gradient presets, organized in a new group folder. Next, using gradients and designs. Select the Gradient tool or open a Layer Style dialog and click the Gradient preview to access loaded presets. Apply gradients as fills on layers, masks, or adjustment layers. Use the Gradient Map Adjustment layer to apply gradient color mapping to photographs for creative toning and color grading effects. Finally, managing gradient libraries. Organize gradient presets into named groups within the Gradients panel by dragging them into folders. Delete unwanted presets by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Export custom gradient collections using the Gradients panel menu, Export Gradients option, to share GRD files with other designers or back up your library. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.